Email as Internet business resource. Have you ever wondered how to use valuable resource of email marketing? Do you often wonder which filter and niche is beneficial in email marketing? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of setting up email lists from zero? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about email as Internet business resource. Now let's get into it. Email filter with benefits. Email management skills are a necessity for successful home-based internet businesses. I'm stating the obvious, you say. Maybe not. I do know that I had to change the way I thought about my email preferences settings when I started my home-based internet business. Deciding which ones to allow through and which ones to actually take the time to read is more subjective than you might think. How do you find legitimate opportunities without weeding through tons of spam? Is there a system? There is no online business that doesn't employ some sort of email campaign. If you want to become a successful home-based internet business owner, you must use email marketing, period. Email marketing is one of the first tools that you can use to drive visitors to your site. Every effective email campaign uses autoresponders to keep the ball rolling. The point is this: there are legitimate opportunities being sent to thousands of individuals' inboxes every day. The sad news is the majority get deleted without a second thought. Yet individuals still yearn to be self-employed, working from home, enjoying life more and feeling a greater sense of accomplishment. Get off the bench and find niche. If you want to begin to gather information about becoming a home-based internet business owner, there's more information available to you than ever before. It's free. Don't believe me? You must have your head in the sand. All it takes to get to know how it's done is your time. You decide if you want to participate. You decide when you want to participate. But you must decide, and good decisions are always made from a solid knowledge base. If you don't know about something, you learn about it. Get off of the bench, get in the game and play. One of the biggest mistakes I made when I first started this business was getting too much information from too many different sources. My business started to grow when I quit going after the latest deal and actually spent some time implementing a program of my own. Again, it takes time to build a business. Search the internet for home-based internet business, see what's out there. Find a program that you'd like to try and begin by receiving their free newsletter. I see more good ideas for free 10-to-1 over ones I paid for. The longer you wait, the longer it will take for you to reach your goals. Whether you are interested in making an extra few bucks each month or making a real living from home, nothing happens until you get your feet wet. I played baseball in college, and for a short time in the minor leagues, and we had a saying around the batting cage: nothing happens till you swing. Get the bat off of your shoulder, pick a pitch you like and swing away. Nothing happens until you do. Email list building. Email list building is a common marketing practice these days. There are very few businesses that you can go into these days that don't ask for your email address or ask if you want to sign up for special offers or updates through your email. This is the first step you should take as well when building your email list. Start by asking your customers to fill out a short piece of paper containing their name and email address. This will give you the opportunity to keep in some sort of contact and communication with your customers. Email list building sounds easy, right? Well, it can be if you go about it the right way. These days, with everyone asking for email addresses with the amount of spam on the internet, it is getting harder and harder for you to be able to get a person's email address from them for your email list building database. So, you will have to find some way to encourage them. If you are an in-store individual requesting an email address for building your email list, try pointing out the benefits, like newsletters, promotions, or other benefits they might receive by having their email address on your email list. This is called direct contact collection. You are collecting the email address for the email list directly from face-to-face customers. For those of us with websites, adding a simple form for email collection is usually the best way to go about email list building. Simply write a short paragraph about why your customer should be giving their email address to you, and then request the email by putting in a submission form. If you already have an email list, try this email list building option. Ask your customers for referrals. If they like your site and what you have to offer, request the email address of friends and family, so you can send an invitation to those people to take a look at your site. Or, depending on the site, offer a referral program where customers can earn something for every so many people they get to sign up and give you their email addresses. A third option in the email list building process is telemarketing. In this process, you build your email list by contacting customers over the phone and letting them know they could perhaps avoid the call if they signed up for the email service. Try to use as many of these as you can when attempting to do email list building. This will help you to create a large email address base. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about email as internet business resource. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.